You gotta revise, that's all they talk about.
School assemblies are the worst.
We still have 56 minutes left. Any questions?
Even though I actually don't have to go to them a lot because I have choir.
So I actually quite like assemblies because I find them quite interesting because we have like a different person to like talk every single week.
I didn't really like assemblies because it was just really warm inside the lecture theatre. I couldn't really pay attention.
We'll usually come back from a long break from school, and it will usually be our head teacher that will like speak to us and like encourage us to like work hard.
I just get super bored with assemblies. I feel like the majority of the time I'm not going to need to know any of the information that they're giving me.
Does anybody know how big a 747 is? I mean, it's way bigger.
I tend to sit at the back. I don't like being in spaces with lots of people and it makes me a little bit anxious, so it's just safer to sit at the back.
We always have to sit in our phone groups and I tend to sit at the back, and they always put the bulletin notices up and I can never see, which is a disadvantage because I'm so small.
We have assembly on a Tuesday and Friday, and though we don't sing in assembly, we have like talks about like British values, like racism, prejudice. I normally end up sitting near the front when I'm in on Fridays because I'm with my form.
It's a house assembly.
Just house assemblies are so boring. The same things are repeated over and over again.
Each year we'll have two tutors for one house, and they'll go either side of each hall, and I'm always on the right side of the hall.
Now that I'm at secondary school, we usually have one house assembly a week and then maybe a year group assembly.
All our forms sit in like a certain area. We've sat in the same place since year 7.
I have my assembly in the theatre at school and we sit like wherever basically. Yeah, I just prefer it to lessons.
In year 11, all our assemblies was post 16 and our GCSE exams. That's what it was based on.
There isn't a specific theme to every assembly, it just is random every week. And I sit with my form usually at the front of our chapel, which is where we have them.
2 to 2:30 on a Friday is run by head of year. At the end, our form tutors give shout outs. We don't sing or anything like that, and we have to sit with our form class.
Our assemblies are quite boring, so I don't really enjoy them that much, but I usually sit in the middle.
They're alright, I don't mind them.
Usually the topics are quite interesting, so I actually quite like assembly.